Hi, I'm Keith, and from Orange, California, and this is my 2007 Mandalay. I've met Art, OCRV, a few years ago, and I had him redo everything on the inside and put several new systems in for me. One of the big things I had him do was put in a full-size four-section full-size fridge. He redid all the surfaces in here, everything, all the leather, put new MCD shades all the way around. We sat with Bonnie and picked out all the different materials and rewrapped the dash. Well, one of the big things I wanted to do was try and get off the grid, and we do a lot of dry camping, so a big thing for me was not to have to run the generator while I was out in the middle of the desert or wherever we were going. So we put 8 panels on top, solar, and we converted everything to 24 volt. So we had them install a TV here, a flat screen, and then made usable space on the back. So we can, have extra storage back here. I had Art put in motion and high def satellite receivers on all the TVs. One of the things I always hated was having a spice cabinet that was, all my bottles were all over the place. So we came up with a good catalog slide out for all the spices, so they're all indexed nicely and easily accessible, and they don't fly around when I turn a corner or hit a curb, which is good. Another system we have in here is we have full network and a cradle point system, which gives me, it's a cellular IP, so it's going off the cellular system, giving me internet access wherever I go, and it just uses an actual SIM card like you put in the phone. So they help me find the best system that goes basically in all the emergency vehicles that are out there for first responders. And they put a nice cradle point in there with a Netgear system, a Netgear router, and then I have an extender outside, which is nice. Another thing we did was we put all new entertainment systems in. He redid all the speakers, put a new self-powered sub on the inside, did all new speakers and new audio in here, a new LED TV on the front. And the great thing about all of this is it's all controlled through my app on my phone, so I can turn everything on and off, which is very convenient. And we even have a bunch of stuff outside, which I'll show you here in a second. So I had Art go ahead and also set up a nice system for exterior entertainment as well. So we have the TV, a nice speaker array of Orb speakers, and we also did this system down here, which is a self-powered sub, where I open it up, the sub fires straight down. That protects it from any road grime, and then I have another full home system powering all of the exterior and a couple of speakers that'll go up on tripods just in case you want to get really loud. But all this also controls off my phone. Everything streams nicely, so I can get my internet music through the network that the system puts out. But we really love the exterior entertainment system. It's been awesome. A lot of fun with this thing. This is the battery banks we put in, the new 24 volt inverter. And we put some L16 batteries. We have 8 of them. We got that compartment, and then over here, you got all these. And the solar charger is also in that compartment with the inverter. And in the back, we put a couple more of the L16s in here. And with the 8 panels on top, I basically go dry camping, and I really never have to turn the generator on again, which is really nice. It runs the refrigerator, all my entertainment systems, the TVs, all the direct TV and satellite. Basically everything's operating off of solar, so I don't have to dry camp and listen to the generator, which was a really important part for what I was asking Art to do for me. So it just took a little while, back and forth, and we figured out a system, and they've done a great job. And all I can say is this thing's ready to roll for dry camping, and we have just a ton of fun on this thing. But I highly recommend working with Art and the guys. They do great work.